they control us. They brought us to Morocco. So the Morocco police, they control us, beat us, they took our money, they took our phone.
What are your plans now? You want to go back to your country? You want to
No. Right now, we need a peaceful place. If you can take us to the place we are going, better. If you
good Spanish, you good anywhere you can go.
You have the trek. Yeah, many of them trek, and some don't come back. Some we don't know what happened to them, so they must have died.
You can imagine that in Sahara, even if you think about Sahara, you just feel I can't say about that. And I think I can't say about that situation.
What the problem is Morocco government, because before he deport people from Morocco to Algeria territory. Now Algeria government told that she will allow any people to his territory again. So the government decided to deport Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, to desert. He deport Mali, Senegal. He take them with flight. The other groups to Sahara to go and die.
They brought us to the Sahara. They give us this jerrycan from Casablanca. You can see the right from Casablanca. Yeah, they give each and everybody 3 with 10 bread, 10 sardines, and some jibna. 10. They told us to go and die. That's what they told. That's what they told our group.
It has been happening. It's just now that the world is coming to know about it, but there are many people dead in the desert. Many. It's not a new thing.
And also in the high sea.
Yeah, in the high sea, that one is so often.
Because I put myself through God, and I know God who helped Moses, and the Israelites are with me now. So I definitely know I will not die.